Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. This is my reading para sa mga Virgo. This is for January 2021. Overall reading po ito So, magkakaroon ng love and, I'm sorry, nagwiggle yung camera. So, magkakaroon tayo ng love and finances reading dito. So, let's start the reading. We have here, dito muna tayo sa middle. This is the main energy. We have here Three of Pentacles and community. For some of you, you might be helping somebody or maaaring you are a kind of person. Yeah, you are a kind of person na medyo matulungin. I don't know, for some of you, mahilig magpautang, nagpapautang. For some of you, mahilig lang talagang tumulong sa mga nangangailangan. Or you are a kind of person na talagang maaaring pwedeng sa friends, ganyan. You are a shoulder na kayang hingian ng tulong. Okay? That is you. And also, we have here Great Fortune and Seven of Pentacles. I mean, this is the right time for you to plan for your future. Alam mo kung bakit? This is the exact time. Itong January 2021, use this month para planuhin mo yung future mo kasi maganda yung sinasabi nito pagdating sa hinaharap. Kung ano man yung mga paplanuhin mo, yung mga gagawin mo, maganda ang sinasabi dyan. For some of you, if you're asking about reunion, Seven of Cups, Page of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. If you're asking for a reunion, high possibility this January 2021. Reunion from a friend or family members or whoever it is you are thinking na you want to have this union, possible mangyari this January 2021. Okay, sorry about that. Kailangan ko lang i-pause saglit. So, we have here message. So, possible that this person would reach out to you via message. Kung sino man itong, you would have a reunion with. Pwedeng sabihin sa'yo ito through message. So, kung hindi may isa katuparan yung reunion this January 2021, possible na sabihin pa lang. Okay? And we have here Seven of Cups. I mean, pwedeng may mga mag-offer sa'yo ng, may mag-present sa'yo ng offer this January 2021 na medyo malayo sa expectations or sa mga gusto mo or yung mga hangarin mo. Pero, I feel like, you have to take time. Okay? Pag-isipan mong mabuti and, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. This is with regard, I'm not saying na yung mga offers sa'yo ay magiging hindi maganda. I am telling you to take time kung kaya mo ba yung responsibilities. Okay? Maybe the reunion has something to do with that. Alam mo kung bakit? We have here Page of Swords. This is your energy at the bottom of the deck. This is someone na parang nasa dream stage and lack of lack of movement. Marang mas concentrated dito sa mga dreams niya, sa yung mga wish niya, but then kulang po sa galaw. Okay? So probably kulang sa galaw yung this with regards to the offer, maaaring if you are expecting something, if this is with regards to business or career, in order for you na makuha mo yung mga ine-expect mo, you need to balance it. Kumbaga, bigyan mo ng time, effort, etc. And wag kang magpaka-dream stage lang. So, this is an advice for you. Okay? Nakuha natin yung advice sa'yo dyan. Na kung may hinahangad ka, gawan mo ng action. Yun lang yun. Because very promising nga yung future, especially if this is newly created pa lang or newly pa lang na pinasok mo, new journey pa lang na pinasok mo, especially if that is a new journey. I have here occupation. So, pwedeng pagpapalit ng trabaho or bagong, we have here Ace of Wands. So, new beginning talaga ito. Concentrated ito sa new beginning na ito. And we have here 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, this is someone na parang pinapalalim, pinapalakas, or pinalalago yung kanyang mind, yung kanyang thoughts. And, you know, yung kumbaga pagdating sa maaaring meron kang mga bagong inaalam na Ace of Wands, new beginning. Okay? So, maaaring new occupation nga yan, or new job, or new business. Maganda yan. Promising yung sinasabi niyan. Pero, kailangan mong gawa ng action. Huwag tayong magpaka-stay sa dream stage. Okay? And we have here concern. I'm sorry, this is for... we have here concern, the Chariot, 3 of Swords, the Lovers. High possibility for some of you, I don't know, it is with regards to your love life na nakukuha ko dito, high chance of a relationship. Pero, there's a concern. Ano yon? Probably, there's a third party relationship dito. Although magkakaroon ng relasyon, pwedeng may someone involved in the picture. We have here the Chariot, Cancer energy, and 3 of Swords. Yeah, this is a third party situation. Someone here is going to have this pain na mararamdaman because pwedeng magkaroon ng third party relationship here. If not you, pwedeng yung other person involved ang magkaroon ng pain dito. So that is with your love life. So, yun yung pinaka-main concern dito, this January 2021. But then, I see your energy with the Chariot right here. You're like going for it. Like, okay lang. Wala kang pakialam. As long na, hindi naman sa walang pakialam. But you still would go for this. Okay? It doesn't matter for you anymore. For some of you, para naman dun sa iba, pwedeng ikaw yung past person, I mean not past person, pwedeng maaaring ikaw yung person na niloko dito, ganyan, and there's a lot of pain on your side. So, 2 sets of Virgo. One is papasok sa third party relationship, the other one is maaaring masasaktan because pwedeng magkaroon ng third party relationship this January 2021. For some of you, pwedeng nangyari na and you're in pain right now. And we have here Death and 9 of Swords. I don't know. It is with regards to those who are expecting something. With her, we have here expectation. So, these are your expectation. Kaya lang, with the 9 of Swords, maaaring hindi naging maganda or hindi magiging maganda yung kalalabasan nito. We have here Death card, Scorpio energy. So, probably, kung ano man yung ine-expect mo, ay mag-end yung expectation mo dito. And this would cause you a lot of pain, a lot of regrets for some of you. Pwedeng sobrang sakit. And maybe it has something to do for some of you, pwedeng yun nga, love life. Kung hindi sa love life, pwede rin namang sa change of career, kasi expectation is looking at this occupation. So probably you are looking for some of you, pwedeng news with regards to pagbabalik sa trabaho, but then because hindi maging maganda yung kalalabasan, maaaring mapipilitan kang magpalit dito or magkaroon ng pagbabago dito or new beginning, and kailangan mong mag-focus and ang tawag dito, ibigay or i-broaden ipalaguin or palakihin yung knowledge mo with regards to this. So kailangan ng mga pag-aaral dito for some of you. And our last set here, we have Thief, Despair, Ace of Pentacles, King of Cups. This is with regards to, I don't know, King of Cups is a person who is good at arts, music, might be a counselor, a teacher, okay? So, pwedeng maging ganon. Pero there's someone here who is having this new beginning or maaaring pag-aalok na gawin dito. Maaaring yung person na yun yung mga binanggit ko kanina. Okay? But, you have to take time para dito. For some of you, pwedeng this is someone na nangungutang or hihingi ng tulong. Yun yung mga nakukuha ko But you have to take time kasi this may lead into hindi maganda. We have here despair and thief. And the last card is imprisonment. At this is at the bottom of the deck. And we have here poverty. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, huwag kang basta-basta magtitiwala dito sa kung sino man itong bagong kakikilala mo lang. Might be a teacher, counselor, or someone who is good at arts, music, ganyan. Maybe makikita mo siya as someone who is so passionable. For some of you, akalain mong may gusto pa nga sa'yo itong taong to eh. Pero you have to take this as an advice. Please, 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 huwag basta magtiwala. Especially kung bago pa lang yan, nakakikilala mo. Kasi maaaring mag-lead yan sa hindi maganda. Okay? So, I feel like I need to give you advices. What is the advice for our Virgos? I mean, kanina pa naman ako nag-a-advise during the reading, right? Pero, baka may mga additional advices pa for you. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, okay. So, I feel like this has something to do with the advice sa iyong career, sa iyong job, or ano tawag dito, new occupation right here, or a union. There's a high chance of an engagement ring dito. So, probably partnership, relationship, napakaganda ng sinasabi dyan, commitment. If this is with regards to sa mga bagong sinisimulan mo, you have to commit yourself. Ibigay mo yung sarili mo, yung best mo, yung mga kaya mong ibigay in order for you na makuha yung mga gusto mo. With regards to money, with regards to business, you have to give your all. Or wag ka lang maghintay ng maghintay or mag-expect ng mag-expect. Kung may gusto ka, gawan mo ng paraan. Yun lang yun. If this is something na pinag-aaralan mo, ituon mo yung attention mo. Yun ang sinasabi dyan. And we have your heart broken. I mean, I feel like this has something to do with the relationship na probably there's a third party relationship. So some of you might might feel this hurt, sad, feeling lost, grieving, mourning, breakup, separation. Pero I don't feel like there's a separation here. Kasi maaaring meron lang sa inyo magkakaroon ng hurt or pain na masasaktan because there's a union na nakukuha ko dito. Might be because your partner would have this union with someone. Parang ganun yung nakukuha kong energy dito. And yeah. For some of you, we have here seduction. So yun nga, huwag ka masyadong magiging kampante or kumbaga magpadalos-dalos or magtitiwala bigla-bigla dito sa mga taong makikilala mo. We have your flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation, third-party interference. So, probably may kakaroon nga ng third party dito. Or, if you are there's someone new in your life na dadating this January 2021, pwedeng dumating na ngayong December 2020, nitong mga nakaraang months. Bago pa lang, this is someone new. Huwag mo na magtiwala. Okay? Pwedeng mag-lead yan kasi maaaring magpapakilala siya sa'yo and then hindi niya sasabihin na, oh, I'm still connected with someone, I'm still with someone. Maaaring ganon. And maaaring pag na-develop na yung feelings mo, yung emotions mo, saka mo lang malalaman, meron pala siyang someone or currently in a relationship pala siya, hindi niya inamin. So, that's it for now. Virgo, I hope na gustuhan niyo yung reading. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Ma-appreciate ko lahat guys ng comment, shares, and subscriptions nyo. Salamat ha. And you also have another channel here which is the Unicorn Princess Tarot. Iba't ibang klaseng sign naman yan. Iba't ibang 12 zodiac signs naman po dyan. Please do check it out then. And I love you guys and bye-bye.